In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward YouTube videos. So if you're watching YouTube videos and you want to forward it or you want to take a step backward, you can easily do this tapping the YouTube video screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you the feature to enable within the YouTube application that will allows you to forward or backward the YouTube video. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to forward or backward videos on YouTube, all you need to do is open the YouTube application on your phone. It could be Android and it could be iPhone. Then once you open it, click on the profile icon at the bottom right, like this. Then click on the settings icon at the top right. Once you selected that, then click on General. Now, once you selected General, scroll down and make sure you click on double tap to seek. Here, once you click on double tap to seek, you see 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, up to 60 seconds. So if we choose 15 seconds, then go ahead and open the YouTube video you want to watch. Let's say this video. Then if you click on this icon, this is going to minimize the video. However, now to select the YouTube videos to forward it, just play the YouTube video just like this and then double tap the video. Then it's going to go like 15 seconds forward. Then if you click on the video again here, double tap here, it's going to go like 15 seconds backward. Double tap, you see 15 seconds forward. If you want to increase the YouTube video forward by, let's say, 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, come down to double tap to seek here and choose 60 seconds. Then once that is selected, come back again to the video you are watching. Let's say this video, then go ahead and play the video. While the video is playing, double tap on the video screen here towards the edge on the right side. This is going to forward the video for 60 seconds. If you click backward again, it's going to backward the video for 60 seconds. So this is how you can easily forward or backward YouTube videos on the YouTube mobile application. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.